Hello, my name is Brett Hansen. I'm the Client Success Manager for 365 Retail Markets, and I'm here to show you a little bit about the Gen3 kiosk. What we have here is the back side of our kiosk, and I'm going to step you through how to access the router and maintain some of the components. The easiest thing to do to be able to access the back side is to use a Phillips head screwdriver and insert into the back side here where there's going to be Phillips head screws. All you want to do is you want to turn it about 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise, and then this plate is easily removed. Please note, you only want to turn these part way so we can replace this after you're done working on the kiosk. As well as you want to make sure this gets replaced and securely screwed down so we maintain our PCI compliance. You must protect the Ethernet cables that are connected to the router. On the router, you'll notice there is a power cable, several Ethernet adapters, and then on the left-hand side, as you're facing the back of the kiosk, there is a power button. If you ever need to power cycle the router, you simply push on this button once, wait a few seconds, push it again, and wait about 30 seconds for the router to reboot. If you need to remove the router, all you need to do is unplug all the peripherals, each Ethernet adapter, hold the cables up, and the router slides right out. Inside of the kiosk, there's only two things that you need to be aware of. There are two USB adapters made available for multiple different purposes. If you ever need to plug in a keyboard to perform any maintenance on the kiosk, or if for some reason you need to disconnect the scanner or the card reader, all you need to do is to simply pull the USB cables apart and then plug them back in together. Tuck away to make sure they're secure. And then to return the router, it slides right back in the same way that you pulled it out. You face the router with the Cisco label facing out. Slides right back in. Plug the power cable back in. There is a cable labeled Internet. The Internet cable plugs into the WAN, which is the Wide Area Network port. And then you have two Ethernet cables that need to plug in to any of the ports labeled 1 through 4, which are the LAN, or the local area network. You cut the wires away, and then don't forget, as I earlier stated, you must return the protected cover over the router. This prevents anybody from plugging in any possible devices into the router, keeps the PCI compliance, and ensures that your Gen3 kiosk is safe and secure. Use your Phillips head screwdriver and retighten each one so it's taut. And that's all you need to do.